Sorry guys, I'm using the iPad of my phone, but it's just for illustration purpose. So let's say this is your phone and you want to take a picture. So I'll be using the back camera as of now. These are the tips to make sure that you have clear images for your picture or for the photos or videos you're about to take. I'll be having a series of subsequently of how to take photos and the tips that I used. Now, to take a product picture, first things first, if you're using a camera, if you're using a phone, first things first, your camera, like what we have here, you should make sure that you clean the camera first thing before you take a picture. Always do this, because most of the time we handle our phones with our hands and we don't know what we touch. Sometimes we touch oil, sometimes we touch, and you get to touch the screen or the lens, and sometimes it prevents the lens from having a very clear image. So if you don't wipe it out, this blurs up the image you get afterwards. So first things first, clean your camera. Now, if you want to take a picture, and you want to take it whole for one person, now you get it released this way. Oh my god, you're watching up to this time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Your phone like this, standing, to take the picture. And now to take a picture with the phone, you have to make sure that when you're taking the picture, when you click on the photo button on your phone, when you press it, hold the camera for at least 15 seconds before you move the camera, even though you've already taken the picture. Because if you press the picture or button and you move the camera, the image it's like it blurs up the image, because it's like you're making a motion with the information that it's motion with the information, as well as the person that is taking the picture has to stay for about some seconds, so you get a clear picture. That's why if you see most movies or you see most of photographers, they tell you to wait in a particular position while they are taking. It's not like they are still struggling to take a picture. They must have already pressed the photo button, but they want it stabilized so you can have a clear and concentrated picture. Now, if you want to take a video and you intend to avoid, if you look at the videos you see on social media or the videos we see regularly, there are some videos that come with black patches at the side. Those are videos that are taken with your phones like this. But if you want to avoid those black patches, you take your video with your phone like this. This way it comes out clear without any black patches, and everything is inside of your video or your picture. Now, another tip or another thing to remember is when you're taking pictures, rather than zooming in or zooming out, because most of the time the photo or the cameras of your cell phones, of your phones, they're not the best of qualities. Now once you zoom in on a picture, it reduces the quality. So rather than you standing very far to take a picture, while zoomed, rather move some steps ahead, go closer, instead remove the zoom and take the picture closer to the person. That way you get a better image, because if you take the picture from afar zoomed, the quality of the image reduces. Oh my god, you're watching up to this time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's talk about lighting. Now, with respect to lighting and pictures or video photography, it's very important that if you're making a video, if you intend, like nowadays everybody's using Zoom, if you're in front of a Zoom call or a Zoom interview or a Zoom presentation, it's very important that the light is not behind. The light should be in front of you, because this is what you're presenting. Now the light that comes out of you, maybe I don't know if it's your ring light or whatever you have in front of you, or the lighting that you have, should be focused on you, on your face. If it's a lighting in your house, in the room, that's fine. And also avoid trying to do your video with a lighting in your house above your head, because that lighting, if it is on, if it is shown, if the Zoom presentation or the picture that you actually want to take captures the light, the reflection from that light affects the image. That's why you see sometimes you have like shining light, but the image in itself is not clear. So if you miss out the position of the light to you, the image that you're taking, it will completely destroy your picture. So to be safe, just move away from the light where you cannot capture the light. And if you have a light in front, or you have an extra light, that light should be focused on you. It should be looking at you. Now if you don't have any extra light, another important tip that you can use naturally, if it's during the day, you open your windows. The light from the window, if it focuses on you, you get the best picture or the best video you can get in your home. That's an extra tip. Okay, I told you guys that an extra tip will be coming, right? That is it. Those are some of the tips that you can use to take better pictures, videos, and do better presentation. I hope that this helps. And next time we are going to be looking at an illustration and an example. So we take the picture before and we take it after. So I hope that this video helps you to take better pictures, helps you to do better presentations, helps you to look better in your presentation and during your interviews. And okay guys, see you in the next. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet joined the family, and don't forget to leave us a comment on what you think about these tips and the things that you've been doing wrong doing your pictures and wondering why they don't look so good. It's not about you, but it's about how. It's about how you did it. So if you can change the how, then you will get better pictures. Oh my god, you're watching up to this time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe.